Love your morning tea, but don't have a lot of space. I bought this Amazon Basics. It's a 1 liter, 1500 watt electric kettle. I like things in glass, and I like the stainless steel because it actually matches my kitchen. And the size of this is amazing. It has a built-in filter and comes with what looks like a nice sturdy base. This has nice clear indicators so you know how much water to put in there. It has a minimum indicator and a maximum indicator. And all you have to do to open the lid is push the button. It pops right up. Then close it down tight. And then when you're ready for your water, let's start. This is a 1 liter, and I have the water just above the 0.08 liters, so it is quite a bit of water. This is about 45 seconds in, and it's already starting to boil. This is at a little over 2 minutes, so it is taking a little while to warm this water up. This is how much it's boiling at 2.5 minutes. Here's 3 minutes and 21 seconds to come to a full boil, and then it automatically turns itself off. It does take a little bit longer than I thought it would to heat up the water, but if I'm just making 1 cup of tea, it'll probably cut that time in half. Overall, I like this. I love that it's compact. It goes with my kitchen. I like the color, the ease of use. I like that it automatically shuts itself off, and it has a filter. I really like that I can move this around on the base. However, it does feel a little bit wobbly, but unless you're bumping up against it, I think this base is going to be just fine. Even when this kettle has water in it, it's really lightweight and a super easy pour.